Namaste, everyone, and welcome to Jase Therapy Podcast, JASE Therapy.com. Today, we're introducing a new episode to the podcast entitled Quick Act. Quick Act is designed to give you life-saving tools should you ever come across some pretty common conditions, how you can react and get the person in medical care pretty quickly. In instances such as stroke or heart attack and some other things, time is your worst enemy. So today I want to talk about stroke. I want to help you identify stroke and get stroke victims off to medical care just as quickly as possible. Episode 1 of Quick to Act, Recognizing Stroke. A stroke occurs when part of the brain stops working because of problems with its blood supply. Understanding the structure of the brain helps to better understand the types of strokes that occur. The brain has two hemispheres, the left and the right. Each hemisphere is composed of 4 lobes. Each of the 4 lobes of the cerebral hemisphere has its own particular physical and mental functions. These can be impaired by brain damage. The most common cause of stroke is a thrombosis, or a blood clot. The second most common cause of a stroke is a brain hemorrhage, which occurs when a blood vessel bursts inside the head. Time is your biggest enemy. Act quick. If you suspect stroke in someone nearby, act quick. Ask, "What's your name?" Then say, "Repeat this sentence for me. The cat walked down the street." Then command, "Raise your arms for me and smile real." If the victim cannot recall her name or recite the sentence, call for help. But assess the smile. Is it even? Is it crooked? Is one arm above the other? Look for symmetry in the smile and the arms in the air. Let's discuss some of the symptoms that may be associated with someone who's just had a stroke. Sudden numbness or weakness of the face, arm, or leg, especially if it occurs on one side of the body only. Sudden confusion, trouble speaking or understanding speech. Sudden difficulty seeing in one or both eyes, or double vision. Sudden dizziness, trouble walking, or loss of balance or coordination. Sudden drowsiness, nausea, headache, or vomiting. Thank you so much for tuning in to Jase Therapy Podcasts. And remember, if you are in Chicago, I would love to see you as a patient. You can schedule online at www.jasetherapy.com. That's JASE Therapy, all one word, .com. Thank you so much. Happy summer. Happy summer.